What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video. It is your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color. I am hot this quarantine. Okay, it's not really quarantine. We is on curfew, y'all. It is up the whole level. Okay. Excuse the discombobulation. Like I said, I am very hot right now. It's not a joke. This is not a game. This is serious. Okay, guys. So basically, I want to talk to you guys about an easy way to make some money. We stuck in the house anyway, so why not watch some videos for bread? Like, we ain't working anyways. Well, some people ain't working, okay? Some of us are working, you know, getting our hustle on, doing what you gotta do. I understand. So, let's get into this tea. So basically, a new way that I found to make money online is with the Zen app. That is ZYNN. And when you download that app, make sure you use my link down below in the description so that you can get a free, I believe it's $5 or $10 for the first time, and then consecutively as you keep engaging with it, you get more money with my code. Okay, guys, so let's check that out. This is the app. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. Right, so that is what the app looks like. If you can see right here, right, when you open it, it's showing you TikToks. See that little meter down there, and it's loading that meter, and you're making your money. Okay. As long as that meter loading, your money loading, all right? So, super easy, guys. Like I said, and I got my money, okay? So, then you just swipe to the next video and continue going on. You accumulate money, you can redeem it for cash or you can redeem it for gift cards. It is the easiest way and the most efficient way I have found to make money online or using an app on your phone, guys, okay? Because there's a lot of apps out here that say, oh, you can make this money, you can do this, you can do that. And who's about to fill out a 30-minute survey just to get 2 cents? Not me. So, definitely check out the app, guys. And like I said, use my link in the description down below so that you can make that free money just by signing up. Okay, catch you later.